Amsterdam, a city with a reputation that precedes itself. It's definitely a place that offers something for everyone, young and old. And although there are many attractions to talk about, I want to talk about one attraction that is one of the coolest modes of transportation to go about the city. And I'm not talking about the tram. Call me Captain Obvious, if you will. But Amsterdam has a crap ton of canals that run through the city. And booking a canal tour is definitely a must when you come here. And there are plenty of options. But there's one option, in my opinion, that's the best. That's me there being captain of my own boat. I got my first mate, a navigator, the captain. Onward. Full speed ahead. For some reason, I don't think they like my leadership style.
A few minutes later.
I found myself piloting my own boat because there was a mutiny. Let's take a look. The crew left my ass. At that point, it was just me and the ducks. But let's start at the beginning. It was a perfect afternoon in Amsterdam. It was perfect for cruising around the city, checking out the magnificent architecture as well as admiring the million-dollar houseboats.
Selfie, selfie.
The Titanic. There was certainly no lack of things to see on our cruise, ranging from pirate ships to beautiful towers. The view was incredible.
I have this lovely couple here, Josh and Arlene Joy, on my personal boat here in Amsterdam, and I'm gonna serenade them right now.
Whenever someone takes the time to clear their throat before they sing, you know something good is about to come out of their mouth.
The love boat promises something for everyone. The love boat.
That was amazing. Yep.
I'd say go straight.
We saw many beautiful churches along the way, and things were going pretty good. We cruised all over the city. But then something happened. It might have been something I said.
Why do you look scared?
I'm not scared.
You look scared, Arlene Joy. I've only had 6 beers. I'm good. I'm perfectly fine.
I would be a little scared right now.
Hey, drinkers are the best drivers, okay?
But seeing that I'm not driving anymore, I am going
Drinkers are the best drivers? Is that what you just said? That does not make sense.
That was the last thing I said to my crew when suddenly this happened. My crew abandoned ship and left me alongside the canal with just the ducks. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
10 seconds later.
Okay, so we are cruising down the canals in Amsterdam, and my crew decides that they need to take a bathroom break. So I'm pulled over the side of the canal here so they could get out and take a bathroom break. Meanwhile, we could be roaming the beautiful canals of Amsterdam, enjoying these beautiful buildings, but my crew has to pee. Shaking my head.